Today, I will discuss some evidences of evolution. Imagine a world teeming with life, evolving silently across millennia, from the tiniest microbe to the towering giants of the animal kingdom. Every creature has its roots in a shared history. The story of evolution is etched in the very fabric of our planet, waiting to be uncovered. But what is the evidence of this grand story? How do we know that evolution is real? One of the clearest pieces of evidence lies deep within the Earth itself, the fossil record. Fossils are snapshots of the past, preserving creatures long extinct. They show us how life has changed over time. As we dig through rock layers, we find organisms that resemble today's species, but are more primitive. From fish to amphibians, reptiles to birds, mammals to humans, it's all there, documented in stone. But the clues are not only buried in the earth, they are also embedded in our bodies. Comparative anatomy reveals striking similarities between species. Take the bone of a human arm and a whale's flipper. Both share the same basic structure. This pattern repeats across networks, evolving to adapt to various purposes and environments. But the most compelling evidence comes from something invisible to the naked eye, our DNA. Our genetic code is like a biological time capsule. When we compare the DNA of different species, we find remarkable similarities. Humans share about 98% of DNA with chimpanzees, our closest living relatives. And it's not just primates. We share 60% of our DNA with fruit flies and even 40% with bananas. These shared genes are like footprints left behind by evolution, marking our common ancestry with all life on Earth. The biogeography of islands yields some of the best evidence. An example is Darwin's finches, where different species on the Galapagos Islands evolved different beak shapes based on their food source, demonstrating natural selection. These species evolved separately, adapting to their unique environments. The diversity we see today is the result of millions of years of isolation and natural selection, where species change in response to their surroundings. Evolution is evident in fossils, our body structures, DNA, and ancestral remnants. It's not just a theory, but a vast, interconnected history spanning billions of years. We are part of this ongoing story, constantly evolving and discovering that life's journey continues. Evolution is an active process, and so are we.